Second practical aim, determination of hardness in water. To determine the amount of hardness present in given water sample by EDTA titration method. EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Aim of the second experiment, to determine the amount of total hardness present in given water sample by EDTA titration method. Next part, next theory, next procedure, next simulation. Determination of hardness in water. Objective, to determine the amount of total hardness present in given water sample by EDTA titration method. Apparatus, pipette, conical flask, burette, beaker, dropper. First, this is the burette. Next one is a conical flask. This is the beaker. Next, automatic pipette and graduated pipette. Okay. Apparatus used, first is pipette, conical flask, burette, beaker, and dropper. Okay. लक्षात येते का बघा? येते लक्षात? First, pipette, conical flask, burette, beaker, dropper. This is the burette. This is the conical flask. Next one is a beaker, automatic pipette, and last is graduated pipette. Apparatus. Description: hardness of water is measure of ability of water to cause precipitation of insoluble calcium and magnesium salts of higher fatty acid from soap solution. The presence of bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium is known as temporary hardness. Second, the presence of sulfates, chlorides, and nitrates of calcium and magnesium is known as permanent hardness. There are two types of hardness. First one is temporary, second one is permanent, and total is total hardness. बघा एकदम सिंपल आहे. बायकार्बोनेट असतील तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो टेम्पररी, क्लोराइड सल्फेट नायट्रेट असतील तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो परमनंट, आणि प्लेनची ऍडिशन केली, टोटल ऍडिशन केली तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो हार्डनेस ऑफ वॉटर. हे लक्षात? नेक्स्ट पार्ट, standardization of EDTA solution. Next, standardization of EDTA solution. EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid solution. Next, step first, fill the burette with standard EDTA solution up to the mark. या burette मध्ये आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, EDTA fill करायचं आहे by using funnel. Next, to fill the EDTA solution by using funnel in burette up to the 0 mark. Filling of EDTA solution. After completion of filling of EDTA, funnel is removed. म्हणजे काय केलं बघा, स्टेप फर्स्ट ला आपण 0 डिग्री 0 मार्किंग पर्यंत EDTA सोल्यूशन फनेलच्या साहाय्याने फिल केलं. नेक्स्ट, सेकंड स्टेप, add 10 ml of 0.01 molar calcium carbonate solution to conical flask through graduated pipette. This pipette is known as a graduated pipette. 10 addition of 0.01 molar 10 ml calcium carbonate a conical flask ला आपल्याला ऍड करायचं आहे. नेक्स्ट, addition of calcium carbonate. Second step, determination of hardness in water. Step second, add 10 ml of 0.01 calcium carbonate solution to conical flask through a graduated pipette. Addition of 10 ml calcium carbonate in a conical flask by using graduated pipette. After addition, the pipette is removed. Next, ammonia vapor solution is added for removing interference of the particle. Add 1 ml of ammonia vapor solution by automatic pipette to the conical flask. Simple. Step third, add 1 ml of ammonia vapor solution by automatic pipette to the conical flask. Addition of 1 ml ammonia vapor solution to the conical flask. After addition of ammonia, next, in the experiment why ammonia vapor solution is added to the sample, that's a reasons below. First, to maintain the constant pH, to dissolve the precipitate. Third, both A and B. Last one is none of this. Answer. In the experiment why ammonia vapor solution is added to the sample. That's the reason आपण काय सांगतो, to maintain the constant pH. Correct answer is correct. Ammonia vapor solution आपण कशासाठी यूज करतोय, to maintain constant pH. After addition of ammonia vapor, then next add 3 to 4 drops of erythrom black tea to conical flask. Addition of 3 to 4 drops of erythrom black tea indicator to the conical flask. The color of solution is changes to wine red. After addition of erythrom black tea, solution color is changed. त्या कलरला आपण काय म्हणतोय, wine red. Next part, titrate the EDTA solution till color changes to blue. End point of the solution is wine red to blue. या wine red पासून आपल्याला काय मिळते, ब्ल्यू कलर येईपर्यंत आपण काय करतोय, EDTA रन करतोय. Initial burette reading is equal to 0 ml. Open the knob to start the liquid running into the conical flask. Titration, change of color from wine red to blue. EDTA is running through the burette. Initial burette reading is 0 ml. Final burette reading is 10 ml. Titrate the EDTA solution till the color changes to blue. Initial burette reading is 0. Final burette reading is 10 ml. End point of the solution is wine red to blue. Next, observation, volume of calcium carbonate CaCO3 solution. Volume of calcium carbonate CaCO3 solution is equal to 10. Burette reading in ml, initial value is a 0. Final value is a 10. Volume of EDTA in ml, final value minus initial value 10. Calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA. It's simple. Calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA is equal to, next formula, calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA is equal to volume of calcium carbonate divided by volume of EDTA. आता या ठिकाणी आपले काय आलं आन्सर, किती व्हॅल्यू आली हो, 10. जर आपण व्हॅल्यू टाकली फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये तर आपल्याला काय मिळतो, चेक. आणि लास्टला आपण काय म्हणतो, रिझल्ट. काय आला रिझल्ट, calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA is equal to 1 milligram of calcium carbonate. Next, 1 degree Clark is equal to 1 part of calcium carbonate per parts of water. काही लो आन्सर्स सांगू शकता, आन्सर एखादा काही लक्षात येत नसेल तर बघा. किती असते, 1 degree Clark is equal to 17,000. Simple. Next, determination of hardness in water by sample titration. आता आपण सेकंड पार्ट स्टार्ट करतोय, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, sample titration. Determination of hardness in water, fill the burette with standard EDTA solution up to the 0 mark. fill the buried with standard EDTA up to 0 mark. 0 पर्यंत आपण EDTA fill केलं. Next, second, add 100 ml water sample to conical flask through graduated pipette. या pipette ला आपण काय म्हणतो, graduate. याच्यामध्ये conical flask ला आपण काय करतोय, 100 ml of water sample add करतोय. Addition of 100 ml water sample to the conical flask. Hardness that cannot be removed by boiling is called as, answer कौन सांगते fast. Hardness that cannot be removed by boiling is called as boiling.
Permanent hardness.
आपण चेक करू. Permanent hardness, answer is correct. Add 100 ml water sample to the conical flask through the graduated pipette. Next, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतोय, permanent hardness. Next, add 1 ml of buffer solution by automatic pipette to the conical flask. 1 ml buffer solution आपण काय करणार आहे, conical flask ला ऍड करतोय. Addition of 1 ml ammonia buffer solution. After addition of ammonia buffer, then add 3 to 4 drops of pyrrhichrome black tea indicator. Solution changes to, the color of solution changes to wine red. Next part, pyrrhichrome black tea indicator is used to detect the presence of rate of earth metal. True or false? Answer, pyrrhichrome black tea indicator is used to detect presence of rare earth metals. Answer सांगा fast. True, correct answer. Next part, the solution of color of the solution is wine red. Next part, titrate the EDTA solution till the color changes to blue. Initial burette reading is equal to 0 ml. Open the knob to start the liquid running into the conical flask. Endpoint is wine red to blue. Color changes to blue. Initial burette reading is equal to 0. Final burette reading is equal to 6.5. Titration is carried out until the sample changes its color wine red to blue. एकदम simple answer आहे. काय फर्स्ट कलर होता wine red. Titration नंतरचा कलर जो आहे तो काय blue. Titration is carried out until the sample changes its color from wine red to blue. Correct answer. Initial burette reading is equal to 0 ml. Final burette reading is equal to 6.5 ml. Next part, observation. Volume of sample taken in ml 100. Burette reading in ml. Initial value 0. Final value 6.5. Volume of EDTA. Final minus initial value is equal to 6.5. Calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA. Calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA is equal to 1. Total hardness formula. Total hardness is equal to A into B into 100 divided by C. जर आपण व्हॅल्यू टाकल्या A into B divided by C, काय येईल बघा व्हॅल्यू. A into B एकदम सिंपल आहे. A into B into divided by C. काही 0.65 जर व्हॅल्यू टाकली आपण काही 65. टोटल हार्डनेस आलं का बघा, करेक्ट आन्सर. total hardness is equal to 65 milligram per liter as a calcium carbonate. Which of the following is not unit of hardness? बघा, parts per million म्हणजेच त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, ppm is the unit of hardness. Degree Clark is a unit of hardness. Degree French is a unit of hardness. म्हणजेच काय, degree centigrade is not a unit of hardness. Correct answer is total hardness is equal to 65 milligram per liter as the calcium carbonate. Next, limit of hardness. हाँ, एक है वो अपन ट्रू इक्वल फॉल्स. रॉन्ग आंसर म्हणते म्हणजेच काय, the limit of hardness as per BIS standard is 300 milligram per liter. Total hardness of given water sample is 65. आपला किती आला होता, 65. म्हणजे मॅक्सिमम रेंज याची काय, 300. इट इज इन द BIS standard range and set for use. आपला काय आला आन्सर 65. मॅक्सिमम रेंज काय आहे 300. काय डाऊट आहे का?